Hello and welcome to 2024, baby! We are so excited that you're here with us in the first month of what's already shaping up to be the best year ever, asterisk. We're filming this in December. So in this top segment, we're going to cover it all. And all, I mean the top 5 offers, not all of everything and what's gonna happen in 2024. I'm not a Swami. On the agenda, we have my personal New Year's resolution, one of which is to go on fewer tangents in the top offers segment, and that was written for me to say, and I will not do it. More tangents will happen. And we also have my copywriter's New Year's resolution as well. She wants to increase her Riz to keep up with the younger generation, and as a Rizzler himself, I know she does not know what that means. So third, and most importantly, we are so excited to have you with us for another year, and so let's get going those top 5 offers. But before we begin, keep in mind that in the affiliate marketing world, January is a banger month. Diet and weight loss, health offers, this is when, as they say in the streets, things get real. We're gonna see some amazing offers and opportunities for affiliates to scale and set themselves up for their best year yet. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Cue the party music. There's no music. At number 5, we have Erect Prime, touted as the #1 supplement to improve your sex life goals. Can I say that on YouTube? Can I? I don't know, we'll have to check that. Erect Prime does exactly what the name suggests with 8 carefully selected, all-natural, non-GMO ingredients that promote blood flow. Erect Prime is hard to pass up. And as for details about what Erect Prime does, we're just going to leave it at that. But if you need more information, just head to the marketplace and take a look at their landing page. Not for too long, and make sure you're in incognito mode. If you're unsure what we're hinting at, you'll figure it out there. And hey, while we're at it, you might as well grab an affiliate link because this offer is selling like hotcakes. With a high APV, this offer has tons of potential to be the perfect offer to ring in 2024. Of course, this offer is doing well with people who have a so keep that audience in mind when you go to promote. Okay, moving on to offer number 4, but before we do, let's get into those numbers. EPC. $0.93, an average payout value of $125.52, and a hop conversion rate of 0.74%. That is really good for an offer that just launched in the last couple months in hard, tough sledding, and it's going to do well all year round, especially after the first month of the year when people are focused on losing weight. Well, guess what's around the corner? Valentine's Day. Yeah. In spot number 4, it's the Divine Prayer. Quite the juxtaposition to our previous offer, but if we're really being real, that's usually the juxtaposition that most of these have to deal with. And no, the Divine Prayer is not one you're supposed to memorize in Sunday school after you learned about our prior offer. The Divine Prayer is the second best manifestation offer in the world. By working with the best manifestation offer creators, the folks behind the Divine Prayer were able to create a highly performing offer with a riveting, non-denominational VSL that just hooks you right in. With a compelling storyline, serene B-roll footage, and as they put it, a music score Martin Scorsese would be jealous of. This VSL captivates customers and creates conversions. I mean, to be honest, it's no Godfather Part 2, but I mean, it's pretty close. Maybe. With low refunds, great upsells, and a recurring option, this offer is great for one to try out as people are setting their intentions and goals for 2024. So head to their affiliate tools page and get your link to start promoting today. So let's talk about those numbers. It has an EPC of 29 cents, an average payout value of $74.14, and a hop conversion rate of 0.39%. And you're thinking, man, compared to those other supplements, this seems low, but this is a digital offer, first off. And this is an offer that just can be evergreen. So if you have that SEO traffic, if you have good list traffic, or if you need something as a change up to be able to clean up those agency accounts and whatnot, this is a good, clean offer that doesn't have a high refund rate. You're gonna keep most of that money that's coming in from it. So go, promote it. Great offer, go do it. And that brings us to spot number 3, and it's Live Pure. Hey, familiar face from 2023. This offer is still crushing it, and it's just giving me all the warm, touchy-feelies. So Live Pure is a weight loss supplement geared towards both men and women who have been unable to lose that stubborn fat due to compromised liver function or compromised alcoholic beverages going into the liver function. That's right, that liver is actually the fat-burning furnace of the body. And with the 85,000 chemicals in our modern-day food, is straight up worn out from all that detoxing. So Live Pure offers an opportunity to cleanse the liver, get back in tip-top shape, to help ramp up that metabolism and finally shed those lbs. So how does it do it? Well, it comes down to a combination of 5 super ingredients. And clearly, judging by sales, these 5 super ingredients are working. So it has an awesome APV, killer upsells, and a lot of recurring elements. So it's an awesome offer for 2024 in that Q1 period. It does well with many segments and in many sectors. So head to that affiliate tools page, grab your link, and get started. So it has an EPC of 79 cents, an average payout value of $149.21, and a hop conversion rate of 0.52%. It has a lot of affiliates promoting it, so the conversion rate is depressed, and it is the winter. Not a lot of people are trying to lose those lbs between October and December, but it's going to be fire once we get into January, February, and March. So go promote it and get testing on it right now. And as always, if you're liking this content, hit that button below, that like and subscribe button. Well, there are 2 buttons. I don't really know. They just put me in this box and I'm supposed to tell you the top offers. They don't let me out unless you know the top offers. But tell us what you want to see more of in 2024. Do you want to know about more diet and weight loss offers? Or what are those sleepers that are coming through? Or do you just want me wearing weird costumes like Spider-Man, an elf costume, and a unicorn costume? Us eating hot wings. What do you want to see more of from us in 2024? And we'll make content for it because we're stuck in this room and we can't get out. So please like and subscribe. All right, folks, we're here at offer number 2 and it's Flow Force Max. Give it up for the prostate supplement candy that has carried its success from 2023 right into 2024. And that's right. Flow Force Max is a prostate candy composed of all the natural ingredients that support the prostate, preventing infection and generally boosting overall prostate health. It's easy to take, it's tasty, effective. Few supplements are all 3, so don't hesitate to jump on this offer and promote like crazy to the men over 40 segment. The conversion rate on this is stellar, the EPC is just as good, and with a clean landing page that includes reviews, compelling branding, Flow Force Max really is the real deal. So grab your link and take advantage of this awesome offer right now. So let's get into some numbers. Has an EPC of $1.24, has an average payout value of $128.72, and a hop conversion rate of nearly 1%. Woo! Wow, that's good. And in these last few months, that's really good. So definitely have this one testing, have it ready to go. Of course, you want to be focusing on diet and weight loss. In January, you don't want to miss that. But if you're a bit too late to start optimizing, this is a good second place. Heck, it's a really good first place if you're wanting to run with it. Go, get it, and promote. Here it is, the number 1 offer of the number 1 month of 2024, and it's Purivive. Congratulations, folks. You guys made another banger of a good offer. This weight loss supplement, concocted by a team of German scientists, is an all-natural blend of tropical ingredients that targets belly fat by increasing brown adipose tissue. I definitely know what that means, which if you haven't heard is trending these days. I totally knew that too. So brown adipose fat, also called brown adipose tissue, is the good fat. It regulates temperature and helps promote weight loss. You can naturally increase your brown adipose fat levels by cold plunging, but if you're not Win Hoffman or you're trying to be on, Naked and Afraid, and you would rather not submerge your shivering naked body in a vat of ice water first thing in the morning, you can take Purivive instead. With a clean lander, upsells galore, and convincing testimonials, Purivive is only going to gain more traction. It's killer, folks. If you're looking for an offer that will excel in January and beyond, this is it. Check out their affiliate tools page, grab your link, and really start testing now because it's got an EPC of $1.40, has an average payout value of $141.14, and its hop conversion rate is 0.99%. This is all from testing in November and December. That's nuts. Now, I feel like we were saying this about the folks, Purivive's folks who made last year's offer, Alpaline. This is an amazing offer. It is going to kill it in Q1. You have to be testing this now. If you're seeing this, you may be a little too late because it is rising up there. So start testing now. The minute you see this, start testing now so that you can be one of the many that gets a lot of money from this and is able to sell a lot of it because it works, it's good, and it converts like crazy. Has great creative, and the team over there is awesome. Go start promoting it now. So not only do we have the best offers on our affiliate marketplace, but we also have some new and exciting things planned this year for our clients, including some stuff you don't want to miss out on from Spark. So remember to like and subscribe and drop your comments, even the mean ones. We'll take those too. And stay tuned for all the awesomeness that is heading your way. And please drop some nice ones, like, do you like my shirt? Is my hat nice? Do I have a nice smile? Do you even like me?